In critical environments like airports, shopping malls, factories, and public buildings, clear communication is not just important, it's essential. Enter the Bedrock SM50 and SM90, the ultimate tools for ensuring flawless speech intelligibility. Why choose the Bedrock SM50 and SM90 for your projects? Let's dive into what makes these instruments the gold standard in STIPA measurement. First, industry-leading STIPA measurement. Fully compliant with IEC 60268-16, 4th edition, both the SM50 and SM90 deliver precise and reliable results. With quick screening mode and pro mode, these devices cater to all levels of testing, from routine checks to in-depth analysis. Need a solution tailored to your compliance needs? The SM50, a Class 2 device, is affordable and reliable for general applications. The SM90, with its Class 1 compliance, offers the highest precision for critical environments where accuracy is non-negotiable. Ease of use is at the core of Bedrock Elite's design. Both models feature intuitive, full-color touchscreens, enabling quick setup and operation. Minimal calibration steps mean even first-time users can achieve accurate results with confidence. But the SM50 and SM90 go beyond STIPA. With full STI measurements completed in under 65 seconds, noise curve analysis, RT60 reverberation time measurements, and long-term logging, these devices are comprehensive tools for acoustic assessment. Designed specifically for voice evacuation systems, the Bedrock SM meters excel in environments where speech intelligibility matters most. From airports to public buildings, these devices ensure your systems perform when it counts. With the Bedrock SM50 and SM90, your team is equipped with tools that simplify compliance testing, provide precise and reliable data, and boost client confidence in your system's performance. Choose the Bedrock SM50 and SM90. Precision, reliability, and ease of use, designed to elevate your projects to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on acoustic measurement and testing. If you have any questions or need more information, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.